Hey there, everybody. RJ Horner here, beacon of life and leadership. And today I'm doing something completely new, something foreign to me, really. In fact, today is a great day. Anybody who's been involved with personal development, anybody who's been around growth, development, leadership, training and development, becoming better, health and wellness. Anybody who's been involved in these areas in any way has heard the term day one, not one day. And today is New Year's Day, January 1st, 2025. And what a great day for such a topic of day one, not one day. Because I can tell you, I've been living in one day mode for a long time. I have plans, I have dreams, I have vision, but I haven't been committed to that vision. I've been taking actions, I've been doing things, little things to advance that vision, but not consistently working towards the creation of that vision. So today is my day one. Um, Today's a good day for a day one being New Year's Day. New Year's, we think of, we think of change, right? It's a new year, we do things differently. We usually come up with a New Year's resolution. I don't come up with a New Year's resolution, but I do always, every January 1st, come up with something that will guide me for the rest of the year. And that thing that will guide me is usually just a word that I will refer to throughout the year that will move me towards my dreams and help me become a better person and help to position me for whatever may come throughout the year. And so we take in January, in the new year, we make a commitment. That resolution that I just talked about is, it's a commitment to do things differently, to do things more than you've done in the past. And so what I'm committing to, and this is day one of 365. Day one of 365 posts that I'm going to come out with every day for the next year. That's my commitment. Now, these are leadership lessons. These are topics of becoming better, topics of, tips, guidance, leadership lessons that are going to help not only you become better, because I'm going to offer this guidance to you, but also because I'm teaching it, because I'm sharing these messages. It helps me to become a little bit better and helps me to become committed in my effort to stand out as the leader that I've represented myself as. I show up. I don't show up with the consistency that's going to truly add value to you, and that's where I'm coming from now. These 365 posts, and I hope once I get to 365, I'll be able to commit to it every day for the rest of my life. That's the plan. That's the idea. And these posts are not just posts. They're going to lead to other things. I have other efforts, other dreams that is part of my vision. And thankfully, my dreams are about helping you achieve your dreams. So that's why I've committed to these 365 posts. And today is day one. So I'm excited to present it. And that's what it's about, is just taking something that you dream about, that you want to achieve, that you want to work on to become better, and just committing to it. So today, New Year's Day, January 1st, 2025, is my day one. And I'm proud that I've made this my day one. And so I will come to you every day for the next 365 days as I unleash my leadership potential, and also invite you into what I'm working on, to be a part of what I'm working on and what I'm creating. So, at the end of these posts, I'll always have a call to action for you to do more, to become more, to step forward and walk this path with me. Because that's what it's about, is I'm inviting you to walk this path with me. And so back to what I said in the beginning, is that I don't create a resolution every year. I create what I call the word of the year. In the past, I've used empower. I've used commitment. I've used dreams. these things are, things that have been important to me over the last several years that have helped guide me, help me step forward, help me become better. This year, the word is endeavor. And endeavor means to try something or to attempt to achieve some goal or effort. So my goal is to endeavor to serve you as the leader that I know I can be. I know I can help people achieve their dreams. I know I can help people step forward and become better at whatever it is they want to achieve. See, 12 years ago, I was in a devastated state. I was pissed off and angry at the world, blamed the world for my problems, but I've come a long way in those last 12 years. I've learned a lot, and somewhere along the way, you just can't help but wanting to give back, wanting to help others walk that path as well, wanting to help others become better, live a better life, and achieve their dreams. I've written 2 books on the subject, 10 Steps to Achieve Any Outcome You Desire, and The Mission to Build a Life You Love to Live. So these are topics that are important to me. And it's now time for me to commit to helping you to become better. So that's my word for the year, is to endeavor. Not just plan, not just dream, not just envision, but to take action, because that's also part of it. Taking action towards the achievement of your dreams or desires is really what to endeavor is all about. So that's what this word, that's what these posts are all about, is me stepping forward to attempt to achieve my dream, which is to help become a better leader myself, but also in the process to help build better leaders out there. I'm part of an organization that I've created with another partner, and we're looking for partners to build this vision out ourselves. And that, Beacon Fellows Academy of Leadership is our newest initiative. And we're looking for partners to help build it out. But we're also building a fellowship, a membership, a community around leadership training and development. I believe it's something big, something amazing, and I'm looking forward to unleashing more about that in these posts every day, telling you more about the Beacon Fellows Academy of Leadership. So please join me, learn more, be excited about that as I am, and hopefully somewhere on the path you join us in that. So that's what my post is. Today is day 1 of 365. This is a new commitment that I'm making to myself and to you as a beacon of life and leadership. So I hope you enjoyed this post. I hope you want more from us. So if you like more of this, you want to know about our next post of 365-day commitment. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more about it. But also, I want to invite you to our next leadership workshop. And I'll tell you more about that. I don't have a website for you to sign up. But if you do want to know more about that, reach out to me at rjhorner.beacon@gmail.com. rjhorner.beacon@gmail.com. And I'll give you more information about our next leadership workshop. I'm excited to invite you to those. I'm excited to share more about this endeavor that I'm going to take up over the next 365 days. Today is day 1. Come and join me for day 2, as we'll unleash new topics every day towards the development of myself as a leader, but also helping build you as a leader. Thank you again. Hope you enjoyed it. Please tune in for our next one, day 2, January 2nd, 2025. Thank you.